Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making some Charro beans. First we have our crock pot here, and we have 1 pound of dried pinto beans that I have picked and rinsed, and I'm going to pour those in here in my crock pot. And next I'll be adding in my spices. I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. I have 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. I have 2 teaspoons of dried cilantro. And if you don't have dried cilantro, you can also use fresh. Chop about 1/2 cup of that. I have 3 chicken bouillon cubes, 4 garlic cloves that I have minced, 2 bay leaves, 1 medium onion that I have chopped, and 1 jalapeno that I have chopped and also de-seeded. Of course, if you would like it a little spicy, you can always leave the seeds in. And I have 6 slices of bacon I have chopped. I have 7 cups of water. And we're going to add 1 can of Rotel Tomatoes. We're going to get this stirred up. And we're going to get the lid put on. Okay, we're going to get the beans turned on. We're going to put them on low temperature, and we're going to cook them for 10 hours. And I'll be back with you to show you what they look like. Alright guys, and this is what our finished beans looks like. Look at that, how yummy. Let me zoom you in so you can see. We're going to get these plated. Look at that, look at that. And here are our finished charro beans, and I'm going to get them garnished. And how awesome does that look, guys? It sure does smell wonderful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Until next time.